Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Today I have a different video for you. I'm going to be making some embellishments using scraps. I've just got scrap white cardstock and I'm going to be stamping and making some embellishments. So the reason I'm doing this is that I've recently joined a group I used to be in quite a while ago. Ginger's Corner is what it's called. I will pop a link down below. And what they have is a weekly mini embellishment swap. So every week there's a different theme and you sign up and then have like 4 or 5 days or something to make your embellishments and get them in the mail to the swap captain. They have them in advance so that you can be prepared and have your embellishments pre-made before the week of the swap comes out. So they have them all listed so that you can work ahead. But I only just joined the group yesterday and then I remembered, oh yeah, they have the swaps, and I saw the post and went, yes, okay, let me do the swaps. So I joined up and I have to get these in the mail by Friday. So no time like the present. I thought I would make them today. So the idea is to well, mainly use your scraps to make embellishments, or anything you want really to make embellishments, but they do have to be fairly flat, so no sort of like rhinestones or no foam to pop things up. They are fairly flat because that then keeps the postage down, which is really cool because we all know postage is just ridiculous. So anyway, this week's theme is kitchen, in the kitchen. Well, I went through all my stamps and my dies and I thought I had some kitchen themed stuff. I remember having a stamp set with a knife, fork and spoon, but I must have sold that because I don't have it anymore. So the only thing I could come up with that's vaguely kitchen related is the cupcakes and some fruit. So, and then after I made these embellishments, I had a look at the themes going forward and realized that in about 3 weeks' time, there's a fruit themed swap. And I went, oh, well, this is the best I can do for now, but I know I'll be set for that one. So, yeah, I just couldn't believe I didn't have anything kitchen related, but I thought, hey, you cook with fruit, so, you know, that's part of the kitchen. It's in the kitchen. And cupcakes, who doesn't like a good cupcake? Half of my, actually most of my paper crafting items are tucked away because when I stopped creating paper crafting a couple of years ago, I madly got into the cross stitch hobby that I hadn't done for 20 odd years, and it sort of took over my crafting space. So all my paper crafting stuff eventually kept working its way to the back, to the corners, in the cupboards. Things that go in front of the cupboards, hard to get in the cupboards now. So I don't have a lot of stuff. So all I could use is what I could get my hands on easily. And as it turns out, that wasn't a lot. So, I mean, I do have a Cricut, the one that you use the cartridges with, and I do have a Brother Scan and Cut. So I probably need to dig them out and sit them somewhere so it reminds me to use them. And as it turns out, half of my Stampin' Blends are now dry. So that was interesting trying to colour in and make the colours blend. So, you know, it is what it is. I'm not completely happy with these embellishments, but they can only get better in time, I guess. I just feel really rusty making stuff like this. I haven't paper crafted for a long time. I've done about, I don't know, 5 layouts recently, but stuff like this I haven't made because I've just, for my scrapbook pages, I've used the pre-cut dies and stuff. So, you know, I have to get back into the habit of creating stuff like this, and also back into the stamping habit. My goodness, I used to stamp every single day for years. I haven't stamped for a long time. So anyway, I'll stop jabbering now. I will link the group below, Ginger's Corner, if you want to join. It's a lovely group, and at the end I will have photos of, well, not photos, I'll have yeah, the finished embellishments at the end. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have liked this video, please give it the thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing, and when you subscribe, hit that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching and have a scrap happy day. Bye.